2011. Ittipur. Where is Ittipur?
Sir, near Dhauli, sir. River bank of Daya.
Khurda district?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Khurda district.
Then you did your plus 2 in Mahasi College here?
Yes.
Bhubaneswar?
Yes.
And then,
Near Satyanagar, sir.
Then Ramadevi RT Women's College? Biotechnology?
Yes.
There is any branch of biotechnology in BSc?
Yes, yes, sir.
Yes, sir. This is a self-financing course.
Self-financing course?
Yes.
Okay. Newly introduced?
Yes.
Okay. Then MITS School of Biotechnology, MITS, where is MITS?
Sir, near Patia, Infosys, sir.
MITS private college?
Yes, sir. It is private college.
So they will be doing MSc in biotechnology?
Yes, sir.
Any kind of placement they are offering?
Yes, sir.
Have you worked anywhere?
But I did not choose to go for placements.
Okay. Having so much of background in biology and all these things, you have taken geography and home science as your option. Why?
Yes, sir. So geography, first home science. When I saw the syllabus, it is a little bit similar to my biotechnology subject.
Geography?
No, sir. Home science.
Yes.
Many part of the home science is similar to the biotechnology, and when geography, sir, geography is a little bit scientific, as well as when I read the GS syllabus, it is quite similar with GS. That's why I am taken geography as my optional.
So you are the topper of your school?
Yes, sir.
In your school?
Yes.
You know, why there is reduction of marks in your 12th?
So, because of my personal problems,
Health issue?
yes, sir.
No issue. Everybody has some problem. So, okay. Then okay, your hobbies are cooking.
Yes, sir.
What do you actually cook?
So I mainly prefer to cook delicious and nutritious foods for my family and for my friend as well. Sir.
Okay. For your family. Okay. You cook for your actually enjoyment, or you cook for to feed actually? There is no one to cook and you are cooking.
No, sir. I love to cook, sir, and also to explore different taste and to explore different dishes. That's why.
You like Odia food or Bengali food?
Sir, I like more Odia food.
Have you tasted any Bengali food?
No, sir.
Okay. Tell me the difference between dalma and sambar.
Yes, sir. It is quite dalma and sambar is quite similar, sir. Because both are in both the lentils and the various type of vegetables are added, but the main difference is the dalma. In dalma we add little spices, but in sambar we add more spices, and in dalma we add different whole spices, which is called as panchaputana. But in sambar we add various grounded and powder form spices.
Basically,
another difference is there.
Sir, salt here is more sweets. Dalma less.
we add sweet in dalma?
Yes, no, sir.
And in sambar we add sweet?
Yes, sir. Sweet and also some little amount of acidic substance like turmeric or any types of dry mango powders. Yes, sir.
Yes.
That is actually more sour taste.
Yes, sir.
Dalma is actually natural taste.
Yes, sir. Tamarind.
Okay. So what are the things you learn from cooking? The basic means things to learn. Apart from cooking, in cooking means I am not asking about the dishes you know. I am asking about the different things, different attitude you learn from cooking.
Yes, sir. The first attitude which I learned from cooking is love and compassion, because when I serve my delicious food to my family, they praise me, and also they after eating they will be happy. Apart from that, sir, the skill and knowledge of situational management I learned from cooking, sir. If the curry is burnt, then how to manage the curry. If any type of situation is come in cooking dishes, then I will manage it properly, sir.
Okay, any other thing? Do you learn from that?
Sir, basically I learnt the skill of management, because the cooking is all about the management of all ingredients to get a one goal, that is the taste and texture.
Okay. You have written that short Odia poems.
Yes, sir.
What are the last poem you have written?
Sir, I have written last poem Janaka, sir.
Jana?
Janaka, sir. Janaka, father, sir.
Janaka.
Yes, sir.
Father of Sita.
Yes, sir. But here Janaka means father, sir.
Only father. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So what you have written?
Sir, can I tell you? Sir?
Yes.
Yes. Sir, जनक संसार पथरे से एकाकी पथिक परिवार समस्त बोझ तांको उपरे अनेक पिता बा तात एपरी भाव नाम अनेक अन्य केही नुहे से आमर अति प्रिय जनक जन्म दे सिना माता करि थांती हमकु ऋणी पितांकर निस्वार्थपर परिश्रम आमे केमिति सुजिबु पुणी बालुतरे देई माड़ ओ गाली सुधारी दियंती जीवन तांको त्याग प्रेम परिश्रम पई आज से अति महान गोटे दिन पितृ दिवस की प्रचुर होइब पितांको सम्मान पाई सबु दिन को जे त्याग देइछंती संतानर भविष्य पाई आस आमे मिलिमिशि नेबा शपथ जसो नाम रखी कुसुमित करबा आम पितांको पथ.
That means you are actually recognizing the sacrifices made
Yes,
by
the
father,
selfless
father.
contribution.
Everybody is praising mother, but nobody is actually praising father.
Yes, sir.
Father is doing everything, but nobody is actually praising.
Yes, sir.
So tell me why girls are more lovable towards their father, or why fathers love or father are more affectionate towards their daughters.
Sir.
Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir. Even sir, there is a theory also. I forgot that theory. I read in ethics paper, sir. The theory. Opposite children are attracting towards the opposite parents, sir. But I forgot that theory, sir.
Okay. Any explanation? Theory I don't ask. You have understood something? Why girls are actually more lovable, more affectionate towards their parents or towards their father? Why fathers generally they like their daughters?
Sir, I think why fathers generally loves their daughter. Generally. I think
not like that at all. Everybody.
Yes,
generally
sir.
means most of them.
Yes, sir. I think fathers saw their mother in their daughters, inform their daughters. I think.
You are not elaborating, but you have got the point.
Sir, actually, father recognize his contribution of mother. That's why he know about a value and contribution of a girl child. And also, father saw daughter as his second mother.
Okay, that's the reason. Okay.
Yes.
No, seriously. Then coming to your optional geography. Can you tell me what kind of forests are found in India?
Yes, sir. There is many types of forests found in India. One is the tropical rainforest, tropical evergreen forest, tropical dry deciduous forest, tropical moist deciduous forest, then mangrove forest.
Okay. What is so special about mangrove forest?
Sir, I'm not getting
what
the
is
question.
so special about mangrove forest? Odisha has mangrove forest?
Yes, sir.
Where is?
In Mahanadi Delta and also in Bhitarkanika, sir.
Okay.
So the speciality of mangrove is it is a salt tolerant intertidal plant species which mainly grows in the deltaic alluvial soil region, and it acts as a barrier to the flood, tsunami and coastal erosions, and also it provides many livelihood to the local community as well. And it is also the ecotone, sir, and breeding ground of many species, many aquatic species.
Like fishes, birds.
Crocodiles.
Crocodiles,
Yes.
Like your deers, and it is actually fertile ground for many
species.
fauna.
Yes, sir. Flora and fauna.
Flora is there.
Yes, sir.
Mangrove is flora.
Yes, sir.
Many fauna,
Yes,
animals.
sir.
Okay. Okay, tell me, what is why there, you might have heard that many cheetahs were brought and they were freed in a national park, Puno National Park in
Yes, sir.
MP.
Yes.
First, tell me why there is a need to bring cheetah to India, and why there is a need to spend a lot
Yes, sir.
behind them.
Yes, sir. So recently, India flagship project, that is Project Cheetah, is held in from Namibia to Kuno National Park, Madhya Pradesh. So main reason is in India the cheetah is extinct, sir. From 1947 there is no single cheetah species found in India. It is one reason, sir. Another reason is, sir, to maintain the food web and food chain. That's why we need a tertiary uppermost food level, sorry sir, so tertiary level of species to maintain the lower level of species, like the deers, rabbits, and they can be only maintained if there is an top carnivorous species.
So there are not any other carnivores in that national park. That's why that is the need to bring, or it is just a public show.
No, sir, it is not public. So the main reason that it is extinct in India, sir.
Okay. Then tell me, why there are, in many nations we have seen that cheetahs are dying. Why they are dying?
So the
Total how many cheetahs introduced in the Kuno National Park? Total how many? From Namibia 8.
Yes,
Then
sir.
South Africa 12. Total
Yes, sir.
20.
Yes, sir.
What is the present status? 20.
Yes.
Then one cheetah gave
Recently
birth
one.
to 4.
Yes, sir. For
Out of 4 died 3.
yes, sir.
And the 20 we brought.
Yes, sir.
From that died 8 cheetah.
Yes, sir.
So what is the present position? 8 plus 12, 20.
Yes, sir.
Then 4 children, 24.
Yes, sir.
Then one child died, 23.
Yes, sir.
Then again 8 died. So now 15. 15 out of 14 are adult, one is
Child, sir.
child.
Yes, sir.
Which organization is attacking Indian establishments in foreign countries nowadays? One organization is there. They are attacking our missions, High Commissioner Office in England, USA, Canada, Australia. What is that organization?
I'm sorry, sir. I cannot recall now.
This one? Khalistan.
Yes, sir. Khalistan.
So what they demand?
Sir, in India, so they demand for the separate state, sir.
Khalistan. They
Yes,
are
sir.
attacking.
Separatist movement,
Yes,
sir.
yes.
Yes.
They are in USA, England, Australia. They are attacking Indian High Commissioner Office.
Yes.
And recently, our Prime Minister was honored by a country.
Yes, sir.
And what he received? What is that award name? And which country awarded him?
Sir, from France.
Yes.
And it is the Legion of France, sir.
Grand Cross.
Grand Cross,
of the
Legion
of the
France, sir.
honor.
Honor.
Then tell me, who is a great poet, writer, freedom fighter from Khurda district? He received Padma Shri, he received Jnanapita Award. He is called Mahakavi, and he also received Sahitya Academy Award. Great person. In his school days, college days, he was a freedom fighter.
Sir, Sachidanand
Yes,
Rauturai.
yes, yes.
Biplava Kavi Sachidanand Rauturai,
Yes,
sir.
yes. Then what do you mean by one scheme of government of Odisha, Odisha Mo Parivar? Government of Odisha has launched a scheme, Odisha Mo Parivar. What is that scheme?
Sorry, sir, I'm not aware of
That scheme is for Pravasi of Odisha. जो ओडिया लोक माने जाइए अन्य देश रे रहउछन्ती तांकर उन्नति तांकर सुविधा पाई ओडिशा सरकार एटा करछन Odisha
sir.
Paribar. Where you find world's largest hockey stadium?
Sir, in Birsa Munda, sir, Sundargarh, sir.
Yes.
Birsa Munda Stadium, sir.
And
Capacity to 20,800 capacity, sir.
place, which place? Sundargarh, which place?
Sir.
That Raulkela.
Yes, sir, Rahul Kela.
Achha, you know what is GM mustard?
Yes, sir.
Why whether some people are telling GM mustard is a game changer. Whether it is correct?
Sir, GM mustard means, sir, genetically modified mustard species, which is more resistant to the pest, to the insect, to the herbicide, herbs, and then weeds, then more resistant to drought and flood as well, sir. Its introduction will increase our agricultural productivity as well as yield, but there is some concern related to the genetically modified mustard, because, sir, it is our food crop, not fodder crop. Previously, there is BT cotton, which is a fodder crop, not affecting our day-to-day.
BT cotton is not fodder. BT cotton.
Sorry, sir, it is fiber crop. Sorry,
Yes,
sir.
yes.
It is fiber crop,
Yeah.
and it is not affecting our any genetic modifications in our body. Even it does not affect our health conditions. But introduction of mustards may brings various harmful effect to our body, like gene mutations. Then there may be some genetical modification which may brings changes in our genetic as well. Apart from this, there is a ethical concern related to the introduction of genetically modified mustard, because if an insect is pollinated in genetically modified crop, then it may affect the indigenous variety of our country as well.
So, what is your suggestion? Whether it should be introduced or not introduced?
Sir, I think after
Some people are telling the rice mustard we are using for cultivation, in comparison to that, this gives very higher yield.
yes.
So, what do you suggest?
Sir, there is a committee called genetically engineering appraisal committee. I think, sir, there should be a inclusion of various stakeholders from environment, from society, from health aspect. After inclusion of all these stakeholders, there should be a proper investigations and field trial. If it is successful, then it should be introduced.
What do you mean by Pradhan Mantri TB Mukta Bharat Abhiyan?
Yes, sir. It is the flagship program of Union government to eradicate TB by the year 2025, before the target of SDG goal 2030, sir. It mainly wants to aware people about the disease condition TB, and as well as to make India TB free by the year 2020.
What millets are grown in your area? Can you tell what are the name of millets?
Yes, sir. Bajra, ragi, barley, finger millet. Sorry, sir. Barley. No, sorry, sir. It's a tongue slip, sir. Bajra, ragi, finger millet.
Ragi is called as finger millet. English name of ragi is finger millet.
Finger millets. Then.
So ragi, bajra.
Then, sir.
Then one is jowar is there.
Jowar, yes, sir. Jowar.
Then another suwa.
Suwa, yes, sir. Finger, sir. It is called pear millet, sir.
Pearl, what you are telling, that is pearl millet. That is.
Sir, pear millet is suwa, sir.
Pearl millet is bajra. Pearl millet is bajra. And sorghum is jowar.
Yes, sir. Sorghum is.
And ragi is finger millet.
Finger millet.
These three are called major millets.
Yes.
Then some minor millets are there. Minor millet, example, suwa, barnyard millet. Suwa.
Yes, sir.
Then another is kudo millet one is there. Like this, another 2-3 small millets are there.
Yes.
So why government is promoting these millets?
So, recently, India government launched mission millet as well as Odisha government in 2017.
Actually, United Nations organization, they have
Yes,
launched declared International Year of Millet.
Millet 2023. So because there is various reason. One of reason is recently global is marching towards the climate change as well as global warming. In many part of the country there is arid regions. It is a climate resistance crop. It is one of reason. Another reason is world is
resilient crop.
yes, resistant or climate resilient crops. Then another reason is world is struggling in hunger and malnutrition. As the millet is rich in micronutrients, it will helps to eradicate malnutrition as well as hidden hunger by the year 2030, which is SDG goal 2, sir. Then after that it will increase our farmers in incomes, as in PDS millet is also included. So I think these are the
Actually, since it is a very highly nutritious.
nutritious, yes, sir. Nutriserial.
And it needs less water.
Yes, sir.
And it is not infected by pests and diseases.
Yes, sir.
So government is, and with less care it can grow in adverse condition also.
Input,
Less
agriculture input is
with
very
minimum
low.
input. So the governments are promoting this crop.
Yes, sir.
Then which is ଓଡ଼ିଆରେ ଆମେ କହୁଛୁ ତାର ପ୍ରକୃତିର ଔଷଧ ଭଣ୍ଡାର,
Yes, sir.
ଐଶ୍ୱର୍ଯ୍ୟ ବୃକ୍ଷ, village pharmacy. What is that name of that plant? There is a plant
Yes, sir.
having so much good qualities.
Sir, Tulsi. Sir,
It is a neem.
yes, sir. Neem and Tulsi also. Yes, sir.
Neem actually we
Consider neem. Yes,
Tulsi
sir.
also highly having medicinal value.
Yes.
So how we can apply your biotechnology knowledge in civil service?
Yes, sir. So biotechnology is all about scientific utilization of limited biological resource for benefit of mankind through creation of various innovative and creative products. The knowledge and skill of use of minimum biological resource for maximum benefit I learned from biotechnology. And also our administration motto is minimum government and maximum governance. So I think, sir, I can use that minimum.
So can you give some practical example where the biotechnology knowledge has already employed?
Sir, in
What is the practical
example where biotechnology is used?
yes, sir. Insulin, sir. No, sir, I am not
And
getting the
tissue
question.
culture?
Yes, sir. Tissue culture. I think administration or in as a whole.
As a whole.
As a whole, sir, insulin. It is the fast product which is created by using recombinant DNA technology, which is the part of our biotechnology, sir.
Okay, so you have home science and geography optional.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what you learn from home science that you can imply in your civil service job?
Yes, sir. So home science is all about home management as well as time management, sir. I learnt various values, skills and knowledge from home science, which can be implemented in the professional life as well as in personal life, my personal life. In professional life, I can do better in that project or in that scheme which is related to the malnutrition or which is related to the child development. Then in professional life, I learnt the skill of work simplifications, home management, time management, and as well as the management of.
You are a Tahsildar of a particular block.
Yes, sir.
And your subordinate in the office are taking bribes in your name. They are telling that ma'am actually asked for the money, but you don't know they are taking money in your name. How will you handle the situation?
Sir, can I take few seconds, sir?
Yeah. So they are telling that REENA ma'am asking for money, but you don't know about it. And they have taken the money also.
Yes, sir. First of all, I investigate is it true or false. After investigations, if I found it is true, then I try to understand the persons, the subordinate persons who is taking bribe in name of in my names. I will pursue to not take such type of things, and I will give some example of another subordinate in any district doing such type of things and will arrest it. Then after using persuasion method, if he or she did not agree to quit that nature, then I will take some legal measures.
So why do you think that you are best fit for this civil service, sir?
Yes, sir. So main thing is I am self-motivated, hardworking and dedicated person, as well as I am adaptive to any environment, sir. And these
proved me that you are a hardworking person. How can I know that you are a hardworking person?
Yes, sir. In my home, sir, as my mother is maximum time affected by the disease, so I manage cooking as well as home cleaning, and also I studied attending online classes of Deepak sir, and also taking care of my parents and my siblings.
Okay, thank you so much.
Also, you tell.